Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create dripping text effect in Canva. So first of all, we just press create and create whichever template or presentation you want. So now I'll click a blank page. Let's say that this will be our blank page. As you can see, this is our blank page. Uh, then first we go to press text, we press add text, so add a text box or maybe a heading or something. Then type any word you want, let's say Canva. So just position this to the middle, center, make it bigger, push it right to the center. There we go, and we can put a bigger font which is thicker. So now what we're gonna do is we go to elements and search for drip. So here we can see a drip here, and we can see more drips here. So maybe we can just put it here like this and just blend it. There we go. So I guess repeat the process through the others as well. There we go. This one's a big one, I think. This will do. Put more drips here. And maybe another drip here. You can see that we're creating drip images here. So we would like to make it as drippy as it gets, So we have more designs of drips here, to be honest. So we can select more drips. Say this one can go to C. Just make it smaller so it matches the color. So this one, get with a maybe bigger one, make it smaller, scroll it down. There we go. So that's the final product. That's how you create a drip photo in Canva, and it will look like something like this. There we go. That's the finished product. So just press share and download as PNG. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.